Scroll stopping. That's exactly what these short videos are. Right now, small YouTube and Instagram pages, no face, no voice, no brand, are getting crazy views just from construction-style transformation shorts. Simple clips where an old, broken, or empty place slowly turns into something clean and perfect. Some of these videos are only a few days old, and they're already crossing millions of views. And the moment you see one, you stop scrolling, because your mind wants to see the ending. You want that final reveal. That's why these videos perform so well on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. The funny part? Most people think it's luck, or timing, or some big creator advantage. But then you start noticing the same pattern again and again. Same style, same angle, same slow transformation. Different accounts, same results. That's when you realize this is a repeatable system. And this is where most people quit. They think, I'm not in construction, I can't edit, I don't know what to write. But here's the best part, you don't have to do anything manually. No writing, no thinking. I've already added all the ready-to-use prompts in the video description. You just copy and paste. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how these short construction transformation videos are made from zero, using free tools, step by step. And once you see how simple it really is, you'll understand why these videos keep going viral again and again. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process. You'll find both prompts in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. First of all, copy the first prompt. Then open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. After pasting it, just press enter. ChatGPT will start generating topics for you, including before and after scenes. It usually gives around 11 to 12 different topics. Once the topics are generated, go back and copy the second prompt from the description. Again, open ChatGPT and paste the second prompt there. Now here's the important part. Instead of the example topic written in the prompt, you need to replace it with one of the topics that ChatGPT just generated for you. For example, I'm choosing topic number 10. I copy that topic and paste it into the second prompt. After that, you also need to decide how many scenes you want. Since I'm making a short video, I'm keeping it simple with just 5 scenes. If you want more scenes, you can change the number according to your needs. Now press enter. ChatGPT will generate detailed prompts for all 5 scenes. In the same way, you can choose any topic you like, set the number of scenes, and generate your visual prompts. Now let's move to video generation. For this, I'm using Grok AI. First, copy the prompt for scene 1. Then open Grok AI and log in using Continue with Google to create your account. After logging in, click on the Imagine option. Before adding your prompt, make sure you select the 9:16 aspect ratio because we are creating short vertical videos. Also, select the video option so it generates a video instead of an image. Now paste the scene 1 prompt and press enter. Grok AI will start generating the video. Once the video is ready, go to the very last frame of the video. Right-click and copy that video frame. Then go back to the Imagine a section and paste that copied frame there. After that, return to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 2. Come back to Grok AI and paste the scene 2 prompt below the video frame you just added. Then click on Make Video and press enter. This step is very important because it keeps your scenes and characters consistent. Your video will look smooth and connected instead of random. Once scene 2 is generated, download the video and again copy its last frame. Then repeat the same process, paste the last frame into the Imagine a section, go back to ChatGPT, copy the scene 3 prompt, paste it under the frame in Grok AI, and generate the video. Continue this process one by one for all the scenes until your full video is ready. Now the last and final step is editing. You can use apps like InShot or CapCut for basic editing. Just add all your clips there, arrange them in order, and if you want, you can add transitions, effects, or background music. Keep the editing simple and clean. And that's it. This is how you can create these videos step by step. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Bye-bye.